If we aggregate these people into cooperatives, then we can have some common board. Some common board, may it be the boats, may it be the cooling system, so that we harness and remove anxiety they have when they come from the oceans with their catch. They in a hurry to sell.
Because most of the resources that will be coming from national government to coast region will be geared towards blue economy. And if you are in that industry, chances are your business will grow.
There is a very high potential in the blue economy, because even if you look at the world over now, the future, the economic prospects are very high in the blue economy. So that then calls for Kenya, especially on the coast region and even in the Lake Victoria, to invest so much in the blue economy.
Make sure that you support one another to ensure that money is returned, so that tomorrow you can borrow more to expand your development horizon.
Even for us, this is going to increase our loan portfolio, in the sense that once we give these people the loans, then they'll be able now to even service, yes, they service the loans. As they do their businesses, you know, we are interlinked. They will be also increasing their savings.